Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing a minimal backend, install Python, create a virtualenv, then pick Fast API for speed or Flask for simplicity. Create a small app exposing JSON REST routes on port 8000 and implement a health route so you can test connectivity. Once done, write a single post endpoint that accepts JSON payloads and returns processed results. Make sure to lock dependencies and requirements, TXT, and run the server locally, so React can call it during development. Now you wire React to the Python API. In React, create async functions using fetch or Axios to post JSON to your endpoint, include proper headers and await responses. Meanwhile, enable cores in Python or configure a proxy and package. JSON so the dev server forwards requests. Once responses arrive, parse JSON, handle errors, and set component state. This pattern keeps UI responsive. You offload heavy logic to Python and keep React focused on rendering and user interactions. To finish, deploy the Python API to a host or serverless platform and secure it with HTTPS. Then build the React app and serve static files from a CDN or behind the same proxy so origins match. Once deployed, test end-to-end functionality and performance. If something breaks, inspect server logs, browser network tab, and core settings. Make sure environment variables point to the correct URL. One quick tip: reproduce the failing request with curl to isolate client versus server issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.